Looking for a CNC machine that can handle any shape, any angle, and any complexity? Meet the MASTER.TGV, the 6-axis machining beast. Built with a super rigid gantry frame, the MASTER.TGV gives you vibration-free, ultra-precise machining, even on heavy 3D surfaces. From designer chairs and furniture parts to stair components, musical instruments, molds, and complex sculptures, MASTER.TGV handles it all effortlessly. Full digital NC control, 6 interpolated axes, X travel 3,000 millimeters, Y travel 1,800 millimeters, Z travel 750 millimeters, plus unlimited B-axis rotation and 400 degrees on the C-axis. Pure flexibility from every direction. Whether you're into mass production or custom 3D work, this machine delivers unmatched accuracy, speed, and surface finishing. Want to upgrade your production? Choose the MASTER.TGV, where engineering meets creativity. Contact Jovis Tech Solutions for details. Want to upgrade your production? Choose the MASTER.TGV, where engineering meets creativity. Powered by Jovis Tech Solutions, your trusted partner for advanced woodworking machinery.